तुमने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? हाँ, बस अभी किया. Yes, just finish it now. Yes, just finish it now. नहीं, अभी बाकी है. No, it's still pending. No, it's still pending. थोड़ा किया है, थोड़ा बाकी है. Did some, still some left. Did some, still some left. तुमने मम्मी को कॉल किया? Did you call mom? Did you call mom? हाँ, बात हो गई. Yes, I talked to her. Yes, I talked to her. नहीं, भूल गया. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. करने वाला था, अभी करता हूँ. I was about to, will do now. I was about to, will do now. तू आज बाहर जाएगा? Are you going out today? Are you going out today? हाँ, थोड़ा घूमने. Yes, just for a bit. Yes, just for a bit. नहीं, घर पर ही हूँ. No, staying home. No, staying home. पता नहीं, मूड पर है. Not sure, depends on mood. Not sure, depends on mood. तूने मेरी बात मानी थी ना? Did you listen to me? Did you listen to me? हाँ, पूरी तरह. Yes, completely. Yes, completely. नहीं, नहीं मानी. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. आधी मानी थी. Partially listen. Partially listen. तूने लाइट बंद की? Did you turn off the light? Did you turn off the light? हाँ, करते ही किया. Yes, did it right away. Yes, did it right away. ओह, भूल गया. Oops, I forgot. Oops, I forgot. मुझे लगा तूने की. I thought you did it. I thought you did it. खाना टाइम पे खाया? Did you eat on time? Did you eat on time? हाँ, बिल्कुल टाइम पे. Yes, right on time. Yes, right on time. नहीं, लेट हो गया. No, it got late. No, it got late. नाश्ता किया था, खाना नहीं. Had snacks, not proper meal. Had snacks, not proper meal. तेरा फोन क्यों बंद था? Why was your phone off? Why was your phone off? बैटरी खत्म हो गई थी. Battery died. Battery died. मैंने बंद कर रखा था. I switched it off myself. I switched it off myself. सिग्नल नहीं था. No signal. No signal. तूने मेरी चीज कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep my stuff? Where did you keep my stuff? वही रखी जहाँ रोज रखता हूँ. Where I always keep it. Where I always keep it. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. शायद टेबल पर रखी हो. Maybe on the table. Maybe on the table. तूने नया शो देखा? Did you watch the new show? Did you watch the new show? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा था. Yes, it was great. Yes, it was great. नहीं देखा अभी तक. Not yet. Not yet. शुरू किया है, पूरा नहीं देखा. Started it, not finished. Started it, not finished. क्या बारिश में बाहर गया था? Did you go out in the rain? Did you go out in the rain? हाँ, मजा आया. Yes, it was fun. Yes, it was fun. नहीं, भीगना नहीं था. No, didn't want to get wet. No, didn't want to get wet. सिर्फ जरूरी काम से गया. Only for an important task. Only for an important task. कल ऑफिस में क्या हुआ? What happened in office yesterday? What happened in office yesterday? सब अच्छा चला. Everything went well. Everything went well. बहुत टेंशन था. It was stressful. It was stressful. कुछ ठीक, कुछ उल्टा. Some good, some bad. Some good, some bad. तूने मेरी चॉकलेट खाई? Did you eat my chocolate? Did you eat my chocolate? हाँ, माफ कर दे. Yes, sorry. Yes, sorry. नहीं, मैंने नहीं खाई. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. शायद गलती से खा ली. Maybe by mistake. Maybe by mistake. क्या तू उससे नाराज है? Are you angry with them? Are you angry with them? हाँ, बहुत गुस्सा हूँ. Yes, very angry. Yes, very angry. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all. No, not at all. थोड़ा सा, पर ठीक हो जाऊंगा. A little, but I'll be fine. A little, but I'll be fine. तूने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? बहुत बिजी था. I was very busy. I was very busy. ओह, भूल गया. Oops, I forgot. Oops, I forgot. सोचा तू खुद करेगा. Thought you'd call first. Thought you'd call first. तूने सबके सामने क्यों बोला? Why did you say it in front of everyone? Why did you say it in front of everyone? मुझसे कंट्रोल नहीं हुआ. I couldn't control myself. I couldn't control myself. मुझे याद नहीं था. I didn't realize. I didn't realize. गलती हो गई, माफ कर. It was a mistake. Sorry. It was a mistake. Sorry. तेरा मूड ऑफ क्यों है? Why is your mood off? Why is your mood off? बस ऐसे ही थक गया हूँ. Just like that, tired. Just like that, tired. कुछ नहीं, सब ठीक है. Nothing, I'm fine. Nothing, I'm fine. थोड़ा परेशान हूँ. Just a bit disturbed. Just a bit disturbed. तूने मेरी बात seriously ली? Did you take me seriously? Did you take me seriously? हाँ, बिल्कुल. Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. नहीं, मजाक समझा. No, thought you were joking. No, thought you were joking. अब लग रहा है serious थी. Now I think it was serious. Now I think it was serious. तू स्कूल से जल्दी आया था? Did you come early from school? Did you come early from school? हाँ छुट्टी हो गई थी. Yes, we got off early. Yes, we got off early. नहीं टाइम पर ही आया. No, came on time. No, came on time. Half day था. It was a half day. It was a half day. क्या तूने पेपर देखा? Did you see the newspaper? Did you see the newspaper? हाँ देखा. Yes, saw it. Yes, saw it. नहीं अभी तक नहीं. No, not yet. No, not yet. है तो पर पढ़ा नहीं. It's there, didn't read. It's there, didn't read. तूने लंच नहीं किया? Didn't you have lunch? Didn't you have lunch? किया था थोड़ा. Had a little. Had a little. नहीं किया. Didn't eat. Didn't eat. भूख नहीं थी. Wasn't hungry. Wasn't hungry. तुमने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? हाँ थोड़ी देर पहले. Yes, a while ago. Yes, a while ago. नहीं अभी तक नहीं. No, not yet. No, not yet. भूख नहीं थी आज. Wasn't feeling hungry today. Wasn't feeling hungry today. तुम आज बाहर जा रहे हो? Are you going out today? Are you going out today? हाँ कुछ काम है. Yes, have some work. Yes, have some work. नहीं आज घर पर ही हो. No, staying home today. No, staying home today. देखता हूँ मूड पर है. Let's see, depends on mood. Let's see, depends on mood. तुमने उसे कॉल किया? Did you call him or her? Did you call him or her? हाँ बात हो गई. Yes, we talked. Yes, we talked. नहीं भूल गया. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. मैसेज किया है रिप्लाई नहीं आया. Texted, no reply yet. Texted, no reply yet. नींद पूरी हुई? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? हाँ बहुत बढ़िया नींद आई. Yes, slept really well. Yes, slept really well. नहीं देर तक जागता रहा. No, was awake till late. No, was awake till late. बीच बीच में नींद खुलती रही. Kept waking up in between. Kept waking up in between. तुम ऑफिस जा रहे हो आज? Are you going to office today? Are you going to office today? हाँ टाइम से निकलूंगा. Yes, we'll leave on time. Yes, we'll leave on time. नहीं आज छुट्टी ली है. No, took off today. No, took off today. घर से काम कर रहा हूँ. Working from home today. Working from home today. बिल जमा कर दिया. Did you pay the bill? Did you pay the bill? हाँ कल ही कर दिया. Yes, did it yesterday. Yes, did it yesterday. नहीं, करना बाकी है। नो, स्टिल पेंडिंग। नो, स्टिल पेंडिंग। नेट स्लो था, नहीं हो पाया। इंटरनेट वॉज स्लो, couldn't do it. इंटरनेट वॉज स्लो, couldn't do it. तुमने सब्जी ली? Did you buy vegetables? Did you buy vegetables? हाँ, फ्रेश ली है। Yes, bought fresh ones. Yes, bought fresh ones. नहीं, टाइम नहीं मिला। No, didn't get time. No, didn't get time. ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर दी है। Order online instead. Order online instead. तुम्हें वो फिल्म पसंद आई? Did you like that movie? Did you like that movie? हाँ, बहुत मजेदार थी। Yes, it was fun. Yes, it was fun. नहीं, बोरिंग लगी। No, it was boring. No, it was boring. ठीक ठाक थी बस। It was just okay. It was just okay. आज मौसम अच्छा है ना? Isn't the weather nice today? Isn't the weather nice today? हाँ, बहुत सुहाना लग रहा। Yes, feels lovely. Yes, feels lovely. नहीं, बहुत गर्मी है। No, it's too hot. No, it's too hot. सुबह अच्छा था, अब ठीक ठाक है। It was nice in the morning, now it's okay. It was nice in the morning, now it's okay. तुमने नई सीरीज देखी? Did you watch the new series? Did you watch the new series? हाँ, एक ही दिन में खत्म कर दी। Yes, binge it in a day. Yes, binge it in a day. नहीं, टाइम ही नहीं मिला। No, didn't get time. No, didn't get time. लिस्ट में है, जल्दी देखूंगा। It's on my list, will watch soon. It's on my list, will watch soon. तुम कल पार्टी में जा रहे हो? Are you going to the party tomorrow? Are you going to the party tomorrow? हाँ, पूरी तैयारी है। Yes, all set. Yes, all set. नहीं, मुझे इनवाइट नहीं मिला। No, didn't get invited. No, didn't get invited. सोच रहा हूँ, डिपेंड करता है मूड पर। Thinking about it depends on my mood. Thinking about it depends on my mood. क्या तुम्हें वो गाना पसंद आया? Did you like that song? Did you like that song? हाँ, बहुत कूल है। Yes, it's so cool. Yes, it's so cool. नहीं, बहुत नॉर्मल था। No, it was just average. No, it was just average. एक बार और सुनूंगा, फिर बताता हूँ। We'll listen once more and then decide. We'll listen once more and then decide. तुमने काम खत्म कर लिया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? हाँ, अभी अभी पूरा किया। Yes, just finished. Yes, just finished. नहीं, आधा बाकी है। No, half is still left. No, half is still left. थोड़ा ब्रेक लिया था बीच में। Took a small break in between. Took a small break in between. तुम रोज एक्सरसाइज करते हो? Do you exercise daily? डू यू एक्सरसाइज डेली? हाँ, आदत में आ गया है। यस, इट्स a habit now. Yes, it's a habit now. नहीं, बहुत आलस आता है। No, I feel too lazy. No, I feel too lazy. हफ्ते में 2-3 बार करता हूँ। 2-3 times a week maybe. 2-3 times a week maybe. तुमने बच्चों का होमवर्क चेक किया? Did you check the kids' homework? Did you check the kids' homework? हाँ, सब सही है। Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं देखा। No, haven't seen it yet. No, haven't seen it yet. जल्दी में था, शाम को देखूंगा। Was in hurry, will check in the evening. Was in hurry, will check in the evening. तुमने नया फोन लिया? Did you buy a new phone? Did you buy a new phone? हाँ, कल ही लिया। Yes, bought it yesterday. Yes, bought it yesterday. नहीं, अभी पुराना ही है। No, still using the old one. No, still using the old one. देख रहा हूँ कौन सा अच्छा रहेगा। Still exploring which one to buy. Still exploring which one to buy. तुम बाहर घूमने गए थे? Did you go out for a walk? Did you go out for a walk? हाँ, थोड़ा घूम आया। Yes, went for a bit. Yes, went for a bit. नहीं, मौसम खराब था। No, the weather was bad. No, the weather was bad. मन था लेकिन टाइम नहीं मिला। Wanted to but didn't get time. Wanted to but didn't get time. क्या तुम्हें चाय पसंद है? Do you like tea? Do you like tea? बहुत ज़्यादा। A lot. A lot. नहीं, मैं कॉफी पीता हूँ। No, I drink coffee. No, I drink coffee. कभी कभी पी लेता हूँ। Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. तुमने बच्चों को सुला दिया? Did you put the kids to sleep? Did you put the kids to sleep? हाँ, अभी अभी सोए हैं। Yes, they just slept. Yes, they just slept. नहीं, अभी जाग रहे हैं। No, they are still awake. No, they are still awake. दादी सुना रही है कहानी। Grandma is telling them a story. Grandma is telling them a story. तुमने कोई प्लान बनाया वीकेंड का? Did you make any weekend plans? Did you make any weekend plans? हाँ, दोस्तों के साथ आउटिंग है। Yes, outing with friends. Yes, outing with friends. नहीं, अभी तक कुछ तय नहीं है। No, nothing fixed yet. No, nothing fixed yet. घर पर ही रिलैक्स करने का सोच रहे हैं। Thinking of relaxing at home. Thinking of relaxing at home. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें। एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।